Allie with Allie's Boutique, and in this video I'm going to show you how we created this beautiful pumpkin topiary. Now it's an oldie but a goodie. This video was an old live that we did when we had our DIY studio, but the technique is still the same. We used Dixiebelle products. We used the Seaspray to create this beautiful chippy textured look on this pumpkin. We used the Dixiebelle Patina on this urn. This urn is just a plastic urn, and now it looks like rusty metal, and it was so easy. And we had a lot of fun doing it. For the update, I added these leaves, and I'll show you quickly how I did that and assembled the topiary. But this was just a fun, easy project to do if you have some plastic Hobby Lobby pumpkins laying around. And in an upcoming video, I'm going to show you how I made this cute little Boo shirt. So easy, so fun. You'll never guess what I used to create the ghost. So subscribe to our channel so you won't miss a video. So do you see this really cool rusting effect? That's what we're going to achieve today with our Dixiebelle.
You can't see it really.
Product. Can you show them?
Can you see it now?
So this is a basic plastic urn that we have here, right? And it's just plastic, okay? And we're going to make it look like metal. All I had to do was paint it with the Dixiebelle color, base color that I wanted, so I chose a gray. So the first thing we're going to do, if Rick can get our iron paint open, this is paint. It actually has metal in the paint. And so
it smells terrible.
It does. It smells yucky.
It smells so gross.
You probably want to wear gloves. But what we want to do is, and Bethany, if you want to do it, go ahead.
So bad.
It smells so bad. Just paint it
everywhere.
Well, most everywhere. You want to leave some spots, maybe without it.
Like anywhere it's rested?
Just all over. Just kind of anywhere. Just kind of do it.
All over.
So I'm going to grab me a brush too because she's really slow. And we're just going to kind of, look how I did that. Just kind of, see
it's
there?
Everywhere.
We're going to let this dry just a bit. It's kind of sporadic, just kind of all over there. And we're going to set it to the side because we want the first coat to dry. Okay. The next thing we're going to do is the pumpkins. They're beautifully textured, and we texture them with the Seaspray by Dixiebelle. It's an additive that you can put in your chalk paint to give it that wonderful texture. So we're going to do that. What, you want to do the antebellum blue pumpkin?
Yes.
Okay, it's this one. So we got these pumpkins from
Hobby Lobby.
Hobby Lobby.
And
they are just plain old pumpkins. They were probably on sale, knowing me.
And she cut out the top because you're going to stack them, and you don't want them to be bumpy, obviously.
So we're going to eyeball it because my family knows I don't measure. And if they ever want to know how to cook something, they just have to watch me.
Yeah.
And I don't cook very well.
I wonder why.
There you go. So I'm just going to squirt some paint.
Oh, it says brownie batter consistency.
Okay, so let's start with a little.
I bet it doesn't taste like brownie batter.
It smells kind of funny too. Don't breathe it in.
Why does everything smell funny?
We should have our, not all that, not the whole scoop. Okay.
I feel overdue.
So now you're going to have to be sparing with this. This is the perfect consistency, if y'all can see that. It's like brownie batter. Bumpy texture, and when we go over it with some white wax, and after a while, after it dries, it'll make it look even neater. It's just beautiful. I love the topiary. It came out so beautiful. Yeah, you got to get this clumpies on there.
Oh,
you want it kind of clumpy.
Oh, well, I'll do some more.
No, you're doing a great job. Yeah, it needs to be wet when you're doing it.
Okay. So just start painting it everywhere.
Yeah, just kind of, just random. You want it to be
random.
Okay.
Random.
You're gonna mist it. So go ahead and mist it
everywhere.
But always in that direction. You don't want to hit the computer or your phone or your drink.
Okay, is that good?
Yes, that's good. So we're gonna let it sit for just a second.
Okay.
And look, it's already starting to kind of darken and do
Should
its
I move it
thing.
so they can see it?
Yeah, so move it where they can see it. It is kind of messy.
Yeah, it's really cool.
So it's already starting to patina.
It is so cool. The cool thing is because overnight it really grabs that orange rusty color. Like it's slowly doing it now.
You can show them that.
So tomorrow we're gonna have to do an updated video. Whoops. Y'all see that orange? That happens overnight. So that true rusty color happens overnight, but you can start to see where she's, oh, keep clicking on thing. You can see over here where it's kind of starting to patina.
Kind of churn that color.
Yeah. So that is what we are working on, guys.
Isn't that cool?
All right, I'm gonna put this
So
back.
all you need is the Dixiebelle patina in whatever color choice you want.
And you can use this on light fixtures. So what we did is we got an old light fixture. It was just a matte black, and we wanted to rust it out and make it look like an old farmhouse light. So we actually did this process, and it looks so neat. I'm gonna go grab one so you can see it. So we've got the way the patina works. We've got a couple different colors. We're doing this color run. This is called the bronze.
No, that's iron.
Iron, sorry. So it's gonna give it that
This looks like
orange.
real barn find rust.
Yes. Now this is our most popular one.
This
A
one's
lot
copper.
of people. This is the copper. A lot of people like to do this one, like all around their house. We got these old. They're not old. These from, gosh, we've had these for a while. But
They were sitting around and they were boring.
yeah, we just wanted to kind of jazz them up. So what we did is we took the glass out and we made this.
Is that cool or what?
And it looks like we literally found it.
Out in the barn.
Yeah.
Or
it's
on
so
the
cool.
dock or in the boathouse.
Yeah. So,
Through that one.
and then she fills it like with pumpkins or seashells or coral, like just seasonal. You change it up seasonally. So that's another idea of what you can use. So for this product, you only need. So
if you're
you need,
painting on metal, you need Prime Start.
yes, if you're plastic like what we painted the urns, you don't need, this.
that. Or
But if you
wood.
are, or wood, but if you're painting on a metal, you'll need the Prime Start. The next thing you'll need is your base color. So we've got several base colors to choose from. This is the iron that we use today. We have what other colors? We have iron, copper,
and bronze.
bronze, okay? And then you need your spray, which this is the green. Isn't there another spray?
There's a blue.
Thank you.
So the blue
Okay.
you would use, you can use green or blue with the copper.
Oh,
But-
yes.
And it gives you a blue, like that one I think I might have used both. So you can see hints of blue and hints of green. And then the iron, you use the green spray.
To give that look.
And then the bronze, you can use, I believe, the blue or the green.
Yeah.
Like so many of my other projects, this one was semi-finished. We did get it all rusty, we got the pumpkins all painted, but then it became another unfinished project. Okay, so here is another unfinished project. Look at that beautiful rusty finish. And that was created using Dixiebelle Patina products. And I used iron and I think green spray. But I'm finishing up this beautiful topiary and getting it out of storage. I'm going to use it this year. So the first thing I'm going to do is add these beautiful leaves. Now I absolutely love these leaves. I've gotten them for the last couple of years at Hobby Lobby, and they are so realistic. The colors are beautiful, and I thought this rust and golden color would look beautiful with the blues and the pumpkin. So I'm just cutting these leaves into 2 sections. And I'm going to glue them down into the moss and create a little bed of leaves for the first pumpkin to sit on. forgot to mention that I had put a dowel rod down into the urn, and now I'm going to slide the pumpkin down the dowel rod through the center of the pumpkin and then glue it to the bed of leaves. And if you look closely, you can see the steam coming off of that hot glue. I love my Ryobi hot glue gun, but it gets so hot. So you have to be very, very careful if you use one of these. So I'm going to let that pumpkin sit for just a minute, and then I am going to start another layer of leaves right on top of that pumpkin. Now I did 3 layers of leaves, 1 for each pumpkin. I stacked the pumpkins, threading them onto that dowel rod one by one. And now for the very top pumpkin. And right now it has no stem, but I did add a stem after I was all done. So here it is, all done. I think it turned out really pretty. As I said, I added a stem later. Don't judge the messy dining room. I'm in the middle of transitioning from summer to fall. Thank you so much for watching our video. We hope you'll like and subscribe to our channel and hit that notification so that you won't miss any of our upcoming videos.